Hello student, now I am going to teach you to how to construct a truth table of given logical statement. Now we have already known about a compound statement. Compound statement means combination of two simple statements. If we consider P as a one statement and Q as a another statement, then we have P and Q is connecting by using the basic connectives and, or, if, then, and, if, and, only. And in this topic, we are given then as a conjunction or as a disjunction, if then as a implication, and if and only if as a double implication. Now consider P and Q are any statement. P and Q are any statement, that means it has some truth value. That is, P has some truth value, P or false, true or false, and Q has some truth value, true or false. If we consider two statements, similar to, we have one experiment. If we toss one coin, then we get two probability or that have two possibilities. That is, if we toss one coin, then we get 2 raised to 1, that is 2 probability, that is head or tail. If we toss 2 coins, then we get 4 probability, that is it has 4 possibilities, that is TP, HH, TH and HT. We are well known about this. Similar to this, if we construct a truth table, we have 4 basic operation on compound statement. We have to done 4 basic operation on compound statement, that is conjunction, disjunction, implication and double implication. First of all, we consider the first operation as conjunction. That is, if we have two statements, P and Q, and we use operation as P conjunction with Q, P conjunction with Q, and I am already consider P and Q is two statements, and we use as a conjunction as a operation on it. So there are two statements, then possibility or probability of their truth value is, first of all, P as T, T, F, F, again Q as a T, F, P, F. Always you write, if we have two statements, then first column include P as T, T, F, F, Q as T, F, P, F. That P means true, F means false. So we are using now the operation on it as a conjunction. That is the first table of our operation, that is a conjunction. So P conjunction with Q. So P conjunction with Q. So consider P as T, T F as F, F P as F, F F as a F. That means, observe this, if P, first statement has truth value P and second statement Q has truth value T, then P conjunction with Q is T. Again second, if P has truth value T, Q has truth value F, then P conjunction Q is F. Or P has truth value F, Q has truth value T, then P conjunction Q is F. If P has truth value F, Q has truth value F, then P conjunction Q is F. In shortly, how to remember this? In a to construct a truth table. So it is a tricks for how to remember the truth table of P conjunction Q. Now in a conjunction there are only one T in a P conjunction with Q. In operation as a P conjunction Q has value only T if both are T. That means P has value T and Q has value T. Then it has value T. That is P conjunction Q is T if P is T and Q is T. Otherwise it is F. That means P is T, Q is F. That is F. It is F, P, F, 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 F. That means how to remember this? That is in a logical statement, if we use a conjunction operation, then truth value is T if both statement have truth value T. That is Q, P conjunction Q is T if P is T and Q is T. So it is a first operation. It is a first operation of a logical statement to construct a truth table. Again, second operation. If we consider disjunction as P disjunction with Q, P disjunction with Q, it has two statements. Then possibility is similar like to this. That is T T, F F, T F, T F. And we use now the basic connective as a or disjunction. So what is the table for this? For disjunction, consider P as T, Q as T, then P disjunction Q is T. If P is T, Q is T, then P disjunction Q is T. If P is F, Q is T, then it is T. If P is F, Q is F, then it is F. So it is a column for disjunction. So P disjunction Q has value T if P is T, Q is T, then it is T. P is T, Q is F, then it also T. P is F, Q is T, then it is T. P is F, Q is F, then it is also F. So compare column number 3 and column number 4. In column number 3, we are already used as conjunction, operation as conjunction. In a fourth column, we use as a disjunction. If we compare two columns, in a first column, there are only one T if both are T. Then in conjunction, if both statement have truth value T, then it is T, otherwise it is F. In a disjunction, observe column number 4. In a disjunction, if P is T, Q is T, then it is T. P is T, Q is F, then it is T. P is F, Q is T, then it is also T. If P is F and Q is F, then it is F. Observe row number 4. That means if we operate a disjunction on two statements, that is P and Q, then we get the value as F if both are F. That means P is F, Q is F, then P disjunction Q is F, otherwise it is T. So in a column number 3 and column number 4, that means in a conjunction and in a disjunction. In a conjunction, the truth value is T if both are T. In a conjunction, remember these tricks. If in a conjunction, if both statement has truth value T, then conjunction has value T, otherwise it is F. In a disjunction, that is P disjunction with Q. P disjunction with Q is always T. Is always T. Observe this. Always T. T T T T F T F T T. If P is value F, Q has value F, then it is F. That means in disjunction. That means in a disjunction, both value are F. Then P disjunction Q is F, otherwise it is T. So first column number 3 and column number 4 we observe and remember as a tricks. In a conjunction, truth value is T if both values are equal. That means T, P has T, Q has value T. In a disjunction, it is always T. It is always T. That means P is T, Q is T, then it is also T. P is T, Q is F, then it is also T. P is F, Q is T, then it is also T. In a disjunction, it is only one F. It is only one F, including in a column number 4 as a disjunction if both, that is P and Q, has value F, then it is F. So remember these tricks. In a conjunction and disjunction, conjunction has value T when both are T, and in a disjunction both values are F. That means both values are F, then it is F. So it is a procedure to construct a truth table of conjunction and disjunction. Now to construct a truth table, we have, first of all, we have think about how many columns and how many rows and how many columns are included that in that truth table. So rows and column is depend on the number of statement and number of basic characters. So what is the procedure of that? I will continue tomorrow.